Welcome back to Truck U. Everything's moving along good on the interior of the Jeep. So we've got the roll cage in there kind of mocked up, and their kind of pieces are leaning on each other right now. And the two pieces of the console are basically folded up and cut out and ready. Now, either one of those is finished yet, and that's what we've got to do. But we've got two different types of welding, which is going to bring us to this. We're pretty excited about this, a new toy that we got in the shop from Forney. It is the 190 AC DC MP, and that's going to handle all of our welding needs.
Yeah, you know, it can do MIG, it can do TIG, it can do stick. You know, the whole idea is if you're looking for a welder, it's something that you want to get into your first purchase. Get a machine like this that can pretty much do it all. You know, a lot of people will say, hey, I want to start out welding and doing MIG welding because that's what most people consider the easier way to start in welding. It's a little simpler. Well, so they'll get a MIG machine, they'll be able to do the mild steel like this roll cage, and then they get farther into a build like, I need to weld aluminum, right? Yeah. So you want to have something that either has aluminum spool or it has the capabilities of a TIG, which this machine has. So instead of having separate machines for different types of welding, you get one that can pretty much do it all. And this one, too, it has something called TRU-Set MIG, which has the ability to help out a novice or inexperienced welder in the setup. So all you have to do is you input the different materials that you're using, and it sets up the machine appropriately for that material and allows you to get an effective weld and do the job the right way.
So what do you want to do first?
Well, you're the one who's been the expert at stacking dimes as of late, so I see you start doing a little aluminum welding.
You might be overpromising a little bit.
Come on.
That's all right. There we go. That's better. Yep.